Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add payment method on your PayPal. So it's pretty simple to add payment method on your PayPal, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. Now let's get into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to go on versus wallets. Now once you go on wallet, your wallet page is gonna open up. Now over here you need to link a card, alright? So click on link a card. Once you click on it, over here you can add your credit card or your debit card number. Just enter a 16-digit number of your card and choose your type of card and choose your card's expiration date and your card's security code. After you do that, you want to choose your billing address over here and click on link card. And if all the information over here is correct, your card will be linked over here. Once your card is linked, you can use that card to put money on your PayPal account. And once you put money on your PayPal account, you can do whatever you want with it. Give it to somebody, buy something using it, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can link a payment method in PayPal and put money on your PayPal wallet. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.